Continuing with our series of vocabulary magic, Good to Excellence brings you say, tell, talk and speak. Now, these 4 words are all about uttering words and communicating. Let's discuss this in 2 parts. Part 1 is say and tell. Part 2 is talk and speak. In this video, we are going to discuss say and tell. There is confusion while using these 2 words, say and tell, because they mean the same, but their usage is slightly different grammatically. In today's video of Vocabulary Magic, I bring you these 2 words, how to use them in sentences, their differences and forms in all the tenses. Hi, I am Archana Kayale, your English Communication, IELTS, PT and TOEFL trainer. For learning more vocabulary, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification. Let's check the word say. We use say to focus on what was spoken. Someone says something. Shravan says he doesn't like ice cream. Say something to someone. What did the teacher say to you when you didn't complete the assignment? Or something was said. It is said that being happy is completely up to us. In dialogue, nice to meet you, Rahul said. It is said in direct speech. Saying is used as a general statement. When we direct our words at someone, we use say something to someone. As we just saw in one of our examples, what did the teacher say to you when you didn't complete the assignment? So did you get how to use say? Now it's time to see the word tell. We always tell someone something. Let's look at the same example again. What did the teacher say to you when you didn't complete the assignment? Or if we use the word tell, what did the teacher tell you when you didn't complete the assignment? Interesting, isn't it? Say plus to plus someone. Tell plus someone, no to. What did he say to you? What did he tell you? And have you noticed, say doesn't always need an object. And when there is one, we use it with to. Tell is used with an object such as tell him, tell John, tell the world, etc. Say is used to express or ask for opinions. I think we would go on a holiday. What do you say? I say yes. Let's see what the director will say. It may be used as a noun, as in, do we have any say in the matter? That means, can we express our opinion? Now, forms of say are say, said, have said, saying. Remember interesting fact. A proverb is called a saying, not telling. Now, let's check when do we use tell. Tell is used to relay information. Tell is used with the following words. Tell the truth, tell the lie, tell me your name, tell a story, tell the time, tell a secret. Let's check the examples. Tell me about the meeting. Rajesh, I told you finish your homework, then go to play. Did you tell mother about your marks in mathematics? The health minister told us that the situation was under control. Don't keep me in the dark. Tell me the truth. Now forms of tell are tell, told, have told, telling. Some common mistakes you also must have come across are, what are you telling? No. You should say, what are you saying? I said him to come. Wrong. I told him to come. Can you say the time? No. Can you tell me the time? That's correct. Yes, this is about the words say and tell. And now it's a quiz time. Pause your video and take the quiz. Now check the answers. How did you do? I hope that was fun. Okay, now let's quickly recall what we just learned. Say and tell are both about speaking, and their use in sentences is slightly different. We use say without an object. We can use say to address a person, but we need to add to before the object. Tell is always directed at a person, such as tell him, tell her, tell me. Tell is used to convey information, used with the words like time and story. We do not use say here. Now, in our part 2 of this video, we will discuss the words talk and speak. And before leaving, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get notification, like and share this video, and leave your comment. I will see you in the next video with the words talk and speak. Until then, goodbye.